Welcome to the Macro Conscious Kitchen. Today, we are making a delicious and easy recipe for Chicken Tikka Salad. It's perfect for when you are looking for something quick and healthy to eat after a workout. Plus, it's only 216 calories with 8 grams of carbs, 5 grams of fat, and 31 grams of protein. First, we are going to start by marinating the chicken. We are taking 125 grams of chicken breast cut into small bite-sized pieces and adding 1 tablespoon of yogurt to it. Then we are adding 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Next, we are going to add in the spices. We are using 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, salt according to taste, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of Kashmiri red chilli powder, which will give the red color to our chicken tikka, half teaspoon of spicy red chilli powder, 1/4 teaspoon of chaat masala, 1/4 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala, and 1/4 teaspoon of kasturi methi, which is dried leaves of the fenugreek plant. These spices will give the chicken a nice spicy flavor, but if you don't want it too spicy, you can adjust the amounts to your liking. Remember, food is very personal and you should experiment to find the right combinations for you. We are also adding in a squeeze of lemon juice, which will help to tenderize the chicken. Mix everything together and let it marinate for at least 4 hours. The longer it marinates, the better the flavor will be. Sometimes I keep it marinated overnight and it tastes amazing the next day. Usually, I marinate the chicken before going to the gym and cook it after coming back, which gives me 1 to 2 hours of marination time. Now, mix everything and keep it aside. While the chicken is marinating, we are going to prepare the salad. Take an onion and cut it into slices. Add some chaat masala and lemon juice to it. And let it sit for 15 minutes. This will remove the raw taste of onion and make it taste better. This is how the chicken looks after it has been marinated for some time. Now it's time to cook the chicken. I am using the low calorie spray oil, which has only 1 calorie per spray. We will only need 3 to 5 sprays. 1 tablespoon of oil normally has 120 calories, and I have found spray oil to be very effective in cutting down daily calories. Cook the chicken for 5 minutes on high heat, stirring occasionally to prevent sticking. Then, add a little water and cook it covered on low heat for another 10 minutes. Our chicken is cooked completely. To make the salad, take some lettuce and cut it into medium-sized pieces. Add in some cucumber cut into small pieces and the onion that we prepared earlier. Finally, it's time to add in the cooked chicken. Now, we are going to add in some garlic mayo sauce and mustard sauce, but feel free to use any sauce you like. Add in some oregano, chili flakes, crushed black pepper, and a squeeze of lemon juice. Mix it all together and it's ready to eat. That's it for this recipe. The written recipe along with macronutrients information is in the description. Give it a try and let me know what you think in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more delicious and healthy recipes. Thanks for watching.